Alright guys, so today I want to talk about the silver and gold ratio. And should I be buying gold or should I wait till the ratio tightens up? And we're starting now. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli, and if you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. So the question of the day is, should you guys be buying gold right now, or do you guys prefer to wait till the ratio tightens up? Comment down below, let me in the community know. Alright, so first, before I go on, I'm pretty sure this is very basic. I'm pretty sure everybody knows about this. But if you're new to precious metals and you have no idea what does the gold and silver ratio means, it's practically, right now, silver and gold ratio is 80:1, which just pretty much means that it takes 80 ounces of silver to buy 1 ounce of gold. Well, I'm pretty sure maybe it's a bit higher than that right now at the time of this recording, but I'm thinking it's like between 80 to 85. I haven't seen. But if you guys want to know an exact price, if you guys want to know exactly what to do, all you got to do is actually divide gold prices by silver prices and you will know the answer. All right? So first off, I do just want to say I want to buy gold. I want to buy gold. Why do I want to buy gold? It's because I want to be more diversified. Right now, my gold to silver ratio is about 300:1, which means I own about 300 ounces of silver to every 1 ounce of gold that I have. And I feel like I'm very heavily weighed into silver. And I want to just bump up the number of gold right now. So I do want to buy as much gold as I can, but the gold and silver ratio is probably holding me back. I did say in numerous videos that, hey, I have a very good gold power move I want to make. All right. And pretty much that power move is buy 1 ounce of gold every month for the next probably 6 to 12 months. Okay. But what's holding me back right now, what's holding me back from not doing that is the gold to silver ratio. Now let me explain why this will be holding me back. If you guys are new, if you guys are not new, then you practically know why. All right, does it make sense? Because right now, like I said, my stack is about 300:1, 300 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. Does it make sense for me to start buying gold right now? If I buy gold right now, I'm gonna be just buying a whole bunch of gold. But it makes sense if I just keep buying silver, just keep on buying a whole bunch of silver, and when the ratio tightens up, I just traded in the silver that I purchased and traded it in for gold. Okay, so let's say the ratio tightens up to 40:1, which means 40 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. Man, now what I can do is I can actually take all my silver, not all of it, like take a portion of my silver and buy gold with it. And it's a good way if you want to get into gold and you're like, oh man, it's just too expensive. You can start buying silver, but you just be paying the premiums. Let's just say the premiums are about $3 on average, all right? You're gonna pay $3 of premium 80 times. 80 times, right now, the current ratios, maybe 80 to 85 times before you can get actually equal up to 1 ounce of gold. So $3 times 80 is, I honestly don't know the math, all right? Like for me to actually get the math, I have to go behind this phone that I'm recording on and go on the calculator to actually find out. So I'm not, but you guys can understand how much of a number that is. What's 80 times 3? Yeah, that doesn't help me out either. You guys comment down below, let me know. I can't do math on the fly like that. But if the ratio did tighten up to 40:1, 40 ounces of silver, 1 ounce of gold, then I can take the silver that I actually own right now and just diverse it into gold, and then I'll be accomplished. But at the same time, I feel like I'm not diversified. I feel like I'm too heavily on silver and I don't have as much gold to back up my silver. I mean, not everybody can be like Yankee stacking with 20 ounces of gold. I'm pretty sure his ratio is, he's okay with his ratio. He calls it the Yankee Cannon. So I want to ask you guys personally, I'm stuck in a dilemma. I want to diversify and not be too heavily dependent on silver. And I want to start buying gold, but at the same time, I want the ratio to tighten up. What do you guys think? If you were in my situation, what would you guys do? because I honestly get good feedback from the comments that you guys leave on this video. And the thumbs up too, don't forget that. Don't forget the thumbs up, all right? Now, I know. There's gonna be some regular comments that's like, hey, buy what you want, buy what you like, stack what you like. But I don't wanna hear that comment. I actually wanna hear your thoughts behind it. Why should I probably wait for the ratio to tighten up, or why should I just buy gold and silver right now, or just buy gold right now? And the next comment I probably get is, hey, yeah, you know what? You should just wait for the ratio to tighten up. Yeah, it's stupid to buy gold. Yeah, I've seen all those comments before. Like, give me a good solid reason that, hey, I probably shouldn't buy it. I probably should wait for the ratio to tighten up. But that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Make sure you guys comment down below because I really need your help. But guys, thank you so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and have a wonderful day.
Why?